So yesterday was Christmas, and I got this a Metal Max Tornado Blazing Team Yo-Yo, and I'm doing a review for it. So apparently it spins really nicely. This spins separately from these sides spin separately from the middle, and the middle acts as a bearing. So if I stop the sides, the middle still spins. It is unresponsive. The sound kind of sometimes sounds like an engine. And you have to do a bind to get it back up. Unless the string's really tight. It's definitely not like professional level, but it's close. It's level 4. Not quite on level 5, which is the highest level in Blazing Team. So the last yo-yo I got in Blazing Team was level 3. Well, the last one I got was level 2, and but before that I got the level 3. And the level 3, the level before this, and the 5 is the highest. Spins pretty nicely. It is a little bit loud though. Pretty nice yo-yo. It came with an orange string. It's kid size. It's not the full size string. So yeah.